Welcome to our channel. If you're a professional service provider looking to verify your Bark Pro account and start receiving customer leads, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit bark.com/pro or the Bark for Professionals website and click Sign Up to create your professional service provider account. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password, or sign up using your Google or Facebook account for faster registration. Step 3. Select your profession or service category from Bark's extensive list of business types, such as home services, events, wellness, or professional services. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Bark sent to the email address you provided during registration. Step 5. Open the verification email from Bark and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address and activate your professional account. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam folder or log in to your Bark account and request a new verification email. Step 7. Complete your business profile by adding detailed information about your services, experience, qualifications, and the areas where you operate. Step 8. Upload professional photos of your work, business logo, and any relevant certifications or credentials that demonstrate your expertise. Step 9. Set up your service preferences, including the types of projects you want to receive, your pricing structure, and your availability for new clients. Step 10. Provide your business information for verification, including your business name, address, and any required licenses or insurance documentation. Step 11. Set up your payment method to purchase credits for responding to customer requests. Add your credit card or payment information to your account. Step 12. Once your account is verified and your profile is complete, you can start receiving customer leads and responding to project requests in your service area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.